Hello friends, myself Dr. Nandakumar Raubavale from College of Engineering Ambajugai is going to deal with intellectual property rights. This is our 15th lecture on intellectual property rights. So in previous lecture, we have discussed about patent, meaning of discovery, meaning of invention, meaning of patent, and essentials of patent, objectives of patent, and various kinds of patents. So today we will discuss about patentable invention and non-patentable inventions. Also, we'll discuss about invention relating to atomic energy and its patentability. So, patentable and non-patentable invention. What this patentable invention is and what is the non-patentable invention we are going to discuss in today's lecture. So, the subject matter of patent is invention. So, in this patent, what is registered under this patent act is a new invention is registered. That is nothing but subject matter of patent is invention. So it means every invention is not entitled to be patented. So if you are going to invent, whether it is a patentable invention or not, that is to be discussed, and then only if it is a patentable, then only a patent is granted. It has to satisfy certain conditions to be a patentable invention, and then only that invention is registered or patented. The invention must satisfy conditions for patentability. There are certain conditions. If those conditions are satisfied by that invention, then only that invention is patented, or else it is not patented. So what is the invention? According to section 21J of Patent Act 1970, an invention means a new product or process. It may be product or it may be process, but it should be new, involving an innovative step and capable of industrial application. If you are going to invent new thing, product or process, and if it is of no use for industry, then that is not a invention. It must be useful, and an inventive step has to be taken into that invention, then only such invention is the invention is known as a findings are known as invention. If the findings which you have obtained or the creations which you have made are not new, and that is not creating any product or process and not involving innovative steps and is not useful to the industry, then that is not a invention. So what is inventive step? According to section 1JA of Patent Act 1970, so inventive step is a feature of invention. It is a feature of invention that involves technical advance as compared with existing knowledge. Already something is there, a technology is there, and if the technology is improved, advancement of existing knowledge or existing technology, and having economic significance, if that advancement which you have made is able to earn finance or money, then only it is inventive step, or both making invention non-obvious to person skilled in art. So if it is obvious means it is clear, non-obvious means not clear to a person skilled in art. What is new invention? The new invention, any invention or a technology which has not been anticipated by publication in any document. If a invention is not published, if it is not brought to the knowledge of society or people by means of any document, maybe a written document, or by means of performing it, or by showing its experiments, or making its product available to the people in society, then that is a new invention used in the same country or elsewhere in the world before. So the invention is called new if it is not published, anticipated by publication in any document, not only in the country, elsewhere in the world before the date of filing of patent application with the complete specification. That means the invention which you want to register for a patent, that invention should not be known or anticipated to other people prior to your patent application. Then only your invention is new. So that is, invention must be new. In other words, it must be produced or it must be generated by a person first time and not known to the anyone else before your application data filing of application. Subject matter has not fallen in public domain. That means the subject matter or your invention is not known to the public, or that it is does not form part of state of art. Part of state of art means it is a general process of updating or making progress. So if it is a general part of regular progress or advancement or improvement in existing things, then that is not a invention. So what is capable of industrial application? The industrial application, in the sense, invention is capable of being made or used in an industry. If invention is created by some inventor and that is useful to the industry, then it is called as a useful invention. And if it is not useful or it is not of use to any kind of industry and for humankind, then that is not a capable of industrial application. The invention must be capable of industrial application, then only it can be used or that can be patented. If the invention is not useful, then that is not patented. Essentials of patentable invention. What are the essential conditions to have the invention or get patented that invention? So a invention must be having novelty. It should be a new. Then non-obviousness or inventive steps that I have explained already. Next one is utility. It must be of industrial applicability. It should be useful to the industry. So what is novelty? So it is the core value of invention to become patentable patent. So if the invention is novel, then only it is a patentable invention. The new invention which is not anticipated by publication in country or elsewhere at the time of filing of application of patent. So that means it is not anticipated, it is not disclosed to anyone else by any means in the same country or elsewhere in the world before filing the application for patent. That is new patent, and that is called as a novelty. Example, patent granted to US turmeric product. So in US, a patent was granted for turmeric products, and that patent was challenged by CSIR, Indian Council for Scientific Industrial Research. On this ground, the patent was revoked by government of US and granted to India. So there are many applications of turmeric product and that are known to Indian people, and those products were patented by US, and the government of India through Indian Council for Scientific and Industrial Research took the objection for registration of such turmeric products, and that patent which was granted to US was revoked and granted to India. So inventive step, non-obviousness. So what is this non-obviousness? The term obvious means that which does not go beyond normal progress of technology. So normal progress is not considered as an invention. If the invention is beyond the normal progress, so general progress, then only it is called as a inventive step. Else it is not an inventive step, but merely follows plainly or logically from the prior art. That is nothing but if the invention is advancement of existing technology and that advancement is not a common or regular progress or art of state, then only it is called as a inventive step. Else it is not a inventive step. If it is not a inventive step, then it is not registrable. So capable of industrial application. Just now we have discussed an invention is capable of industrial application if it satisfies three conditions cumulatively. What are the conditions? When we say that a invention is capable of industrial application, can be made. So invention can be made, can be created. Second one is can be used in at least one field of activity. So if it is used somewhere else, at least at one place, then it is of industrial application. Can be reproduced with same characteristics as many times as necessary. So invention, if you have invented something, some product, and same can be reproduced with same characteristics as many times as we want to reproduce it. So every time the characteristics of that product must be same, it should not change its characteristics. If you are going to produce it many times and every time if it is giving different characteristics, then that is not a invention of capable of industrial application. Other essentials of patentability. What are other essential conditions than novelty and what we say capable of industrial application and all? What are other conditions that the invention is patentable? What are the other things? An invention to be patentable must be useful, not devoid invention. Must be useful, should not be useless. Invention should be useful, not useless. Then it is patentable. Second one is it must have commercial or pecuniary value or utility. So when your invention is brought into the market, somebody must be ready to purchase your invention or pay consideration to take your product. So then only it is a patentable invention. If your invention is of no use and nobody is ready to pay commercial value or finance or money to your product, then it is of no use or is not of patentability. Invention must be useful. It must be useful to somewhere, someone, at least one person or one industry must be ready to use your invention to produce the product. It should not be mere theory. If it is only theory and is not applicable or it has not applied anywhere, then that is not a invention. If it is converted into final product other than the theory, then that invention is patentable. Then if invention is a process, it must result into creation of goods. So when you want to patent the process, so there are three kinds of patents: process patent, product patent, and advancement of existing things. That is three kinds of inventions are there. Out of that, if it is a process invention, then that process invention must be capable of producing certain goods, final products it has to produce. Next one is the invention must be related to art, technology, process, methods employing in manufacturing and application in manufacturing. So it must be related to art or technology or process methods employing in manufacturing and application in manufacturing. Non-patentable. What kind of inventions are not patentable? We cannot go for getting patent of certain invention. Even sometimes if an invention satisfies all conditions to be registered or protected, even though certain inventions are not patentable. So that will be C. An invention may satisfy conditions of novelty, inventiveness, and usefulness. So all three conditions are satisfied, even though, but it may not qualify for a patent. Why it will not qualify for patent? That will be C. Such inventions are called as non-patentable inventions. So what is non-patentable invention? The following are not inventions within meaning of section 3 of Patent Act 1970, so called as non-patentable invention. So there is section 3, and if that invention is included in the sections 3 of Patent Act 1970, even if it satisfies all three conditions, it is not patentable. So what are the inventions? An invention which is frivolous, a fake invention, is not patentable. An invention intended to be used contrary to law. So if law opposes to use that invention is not patentable. If it is contrary to public order or morality, or injurious to human, animal, or plant life or health or the environment. If any invention which is contrary to law and harmful to the society or harmful to human life, animals, or plant life, then such invention is not patentable. And if it is opposing the morality of a human being, the mere discovery of scientific principle, if it is a scientific principle and it is a discovery, not an invention, then discovery is not a patentable. If it is invention, then only it is registrable under patent law. So already we have discussed about the difference between invention and discovery. So discoveries are not patentable, inventions are patentable. So discovery cannot be called as an invention and that cannot be registered as a patent. So the mere discovery of a new form of known substance, already substance is known and new form of that substance is searched or obtained or invented, then discovery of new form of existing substance is not called as a invention. Already it is a discovery, not a invention. If it is discovery, discovery is not registered as a patent. So now non-patent, a substance obtained by mere admixture resulting. So for example, you are going to mix 2 or 3 kind of colors and you are going to get a new type of color and you say that I have produced new color, I want to patent this color. You cannot register that new color which you have obtained by making mixture of existing things. A simply mixture will result into the new product and that new product is not patentable. A substance obtained by mere admixture resulting into new product is not patentable. The mere duplication of known devices. If already known devices there and if someone is going to produce duplicate of it, then that is not patentable. Method of agriculture or horticulture. The methods which are used in the agriculture and horticulture are not patentable. If somebody is going to patent on the methods used in agriculture and horticulture, then it will become a complication to everyone to use that method. So methods are going to change depending on the use and as well as changes in the environment. So therefore, the agricultural methods and horticultural methods are not patentable. Any process in medic, medicinal, surgical, curative, prophylactic, diagnostic, therapeutic, and other treatment of human beings. So any process related to medicinal things or surgical things or in hospitals are not processes are not patentable. So processes which are used in the hospitals are not patentable. Plants and animals in whole or part thereof other than microorganism. So if you are producing hybrid plant or hybrid animals or something that you are going to produce with your efforts, even it is an invention that is not patentable. Only in the field of microorganisms one can register the patents. The general computer program. A common computer program which is used is not patentable. But if it has got innovative ideas, logics, then that is patentable. A literary, dramatic, musical, artistic work or any other aesthetic creations whatsoever, including cinematographic work and television production, are not a patentable things because these are considered under copyright. So the things which are considered under copyright are not patentable. A mere scheme performing mental act or method of playing game. The method of playing game are also not patentable. a presentation of information. You have information, and if you are going to present that information, and that cannot be patented. Mere presentation of information is not patentable. A duplication of known properties of traditionally known components. So traditionally known components we have, and if those traditionally known components are duplicated, and duplication of properties of traditionally known components, if someone wants to register, that are not registrable under patent. Invention relating to atomic energy. So if there are some inventions relating to the atomic energy, such inventions under certain act are not registrable. That we are going to discuss. So invention relating to atomic energy are also non-patentable, even if it satisfies all three conditions are not patentable. Invention relating to atomic energy. So invention relating to atomic energy falling within section 21 of the Atomic Energy Act 1962. What are these inventions which fall under this category that we see? This section prohibits granting of patent for inventions which are useful for or relate to production, control, use, or disposal of atomic energy, or the prospecting, mining, extraction, production, physical and chemical treatment, fabrication, enrichment, canning, or use of any prescribed substance or radioactive substance, or ensuring of safety in atomic energy operations are prohibited. So if anything is going to belong out of this, that is included under atomic energy and which is prohibited for granting patent. The next one is Section 4 of Patent Act 1970 prohibits the grant of patent in respect of an invention relating to atomic energy. The Patent Act also has got a section, section 4, and according to section 4 of Patent Act 1970, invention relating to atomic energy are not patentable. So here, now we'll see the registration of patent, where patent is registered and what are the authorities that play role in registration of patent. So very first supreme power in this patent related activities is controller of patent, and second one is joint control of patent and design. So it is subordinate of controller of patent. Then next one is deputy controller of patent and designs. Then assistant controllers, examiners, and scientific advisors. So this is the team or hierarchy of authorities. So very first is control of patent, joint control of patents and designs, deputy control of patents and designs, assistant controllers, examiners, and scientific advisors. So where this office for registration of patent is existing, where is head office and where is the zonal offices, that we will discuss here. The head office of this patent, design and trades, that we call this as CGPDT. CGPDT. The CGPDT office is head office is at Kolkata, and zones are India is divided into 4 zones: East Zone, West Zone, North Zone, and South Zone. The offices for registration of patent are branches in Chennai, New Delhi, and Mumbai. So these are the offices where we can do the registration of patent. So contents of next lecture. In next lecture, we will discuss about procedure for acquisition of patent, how to register the patent in detail. So I hope today you have followed the things. If you have any questions, you can ask in live session.